Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Monday noun, which is idea. Idea. When you think, of something. Aha. An idea. A thought that could be used and turned into something. A thought can be turned into something, whether a solution, aha, of course, or an adventure. We'll do this. We can go here, go there. Yes, why? Aha, oh there, aha. Idea. So we could say, she needs an idea. I have an idea. I like, or we like his idea. We like his idea. Makes sense. Makes sense. Likewise, we could then say, I am always full of ideas. I have plenty of ideas for lessons. There are enough ideas to last me for months. Plenty of ideas. I've got plenty of ideas. Plenty of ideas. So we have idea, which is one, singular, and ideas, 2 plus, plural. So one idea. I need one more idea. I need one more idea. But then I got two ideas all of a sudden. 2 ideas all of a sudden. Quick, write them down. Yes, 2 ideas. How cool is that? So we could then say that was an old idea. That was an old idea. We don't do that anymore. That's not a good idea anymore. That was an old idea. We don't do that anymore. No thanks, no more. It's old. That idea is old. Yeah. I like this idea. It is very easy. This idea is easy. Easy. Yeah. This idea is very complex and ambitious. The idea is complex, a lot of moving parts, like how to bring it together, and ambitious, achieve a lot of things, do a lot of stuff, ambitious. Yes. But I will work on my idea. Yeah. Very good. So over time, I will come up with more ideas. So usually I get more ideas. Well, usually I get ideas when I think about how to combine things together. How to combine music with English gives me a unique idea and unique way of teaching. When I think about how to combine music with English, then I get an idea. Then I get a new idea that I can work on and create. Yes. There are no limits to how many ideas you can get or can make. Yes. But ideas are worthless unless you act on them. Ideas, worthless. No one cares unless you act. Do something with the idea. Otherwise, an idea is just an idea. Who cares? But when you turn it into a video, into a lesson, into something, then the idea becomes material, becomes physical. The idea is it is turned from an idea into reality. 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 Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So yes, idea. Oops. So yeah, idea. So, can you write a sentence with idea in it? Can you write a sentence? Put it in the comments below and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.